Very good evening. Logical reasoning for NTA NET examination. Under that, one important topic which is called square of opposition. So this is a question from previous year question paper where majority of the students asked a doubt. How come the particular answer comes? Why not the other answers? The following pair of statements, which pair is related in such a way that both be true and both cannot be false? This is the question. So every question has a clue, right? I already told you in my previous classes also, every question has a clue. And this question also having such a clue. What is the clue? Both be true. This is the clue. Both cannot be false and both be true. Both are same, correct? If you say both cannot be false, it means both be true, right? So don't get confused in that angle. So it is both be true. They are given both cannot be false for the confusion. But when you say both cannot be false, it means both be true. Up to this clear. So when both the statements are true, according to square of opposition, we know it very well. When both the statements are true, it must be a particular affirmative and particular negative sentence. When both the statements are true, it is called subcontrary, correct? As per square of opposition table, it's called subcontrary. When you say subcontrary, there are two statements we need. One is particular positive or affirmative, another one is particular negative. So particular positive starts with some. For example, some students are brilliant, correct? Particular negative is something like this: some students are not brilliant. So in the classroom, both are true at a time, correct? Some students are brilliant, some students are not brilliant. Both are true. We must agree to that, correct? So subcontrary means both are true. So because of the clue given in the question, it is very easy for me to conclude that this sentence is, this answer is subcontrary. Okay. Now look at the sentences they have given. See option A, B, C, D. Look at it, option A, B, C, D. I have just written the same statement what they are given here. Honest people never suffer. Almost all honest people do suffer. Honest people hardly suffer. Each and every honest people suffer. Okay. So now the statements here it is given in the indirect form. So we need to convert it to a direct form. When honest people never suffer, here is a clue. When you say never, no, none, never, these when these words appear in a statement, it is called universal negative. Okay, so this statement is universal negative. Honest people never suffer. I can read it as no honest people suffer. There is no change in the meaning, correct? So conversion is perfect. Come to B. Almost all honest people do suffer. So when you say most, almost, many, this is the clue. So those who went through the theory and square of opposition will know it very well. Most, almost, many, it means particular affirmative or particular positive. It means some or few. So some honest people suffer or few honest people suffer, that is equivalent to almost all honest people do suffer. Correct? So my clue is here. Then each, every, any, this is the clue. But when it joins with the negative word or without anything in the front of the sentence, all, none, each, every, some, there is nothing given here, right? The blindly said honest people hardly suffer. If this is the case, you should consider it as each, every, any case. If there is nothing mentioned, it also means each, every, any case. When that is joined with hardly, which is a negative word, so indirectly they mentioned that some honest people don't suffer. So the conversion part I have written here, that is also correct. So this is particular negative, right? So what we need, one particular positive or affirmative sentence, one particular negative sentence, that we got. So if you want, you can check the remaining one, that is anyway universal affirmative. When a sentence openly talks about each, every, any, it means it is universal affirmative. It's all type. All honest people suffers. Okay. Hope you understood. That's why the answer become BC. So where BC comes in the third option. Hope it is clear. Happy learning.